So here's a special message for all the founders on the Startup Canada forum from Karishma Channels Brief Consulting. I definitely feel that a lot of startup co-founders today are compressed on time, and they are looking at getting outcomes that were normally possible in traditional companies within 5 years. They are looking at compressing all the results and producing results in a span of 6 months. That can lead to a lot of anxiety, depression, burnout. If ambitious people have set a goal and those goals are not accomplished, it can lead to a lot of frustration. So it's always good to kind of pace a person, pace their productivity, and rely on mentors, partners, community members to have those meaningful conversations. One of the amazing initiatives that Canada Life has done is basically partnering with Morno Sheppel to develop a new app called WellCan, and it is to support the mental health of all Canadians during the COVID-19 pandemic. The resource is accessible, free, and available to everyone in Canada to download in app stores. So typically, any person, doesn't matter in terms of what their age group is. They could be a young mother, founder who's running a restaurant, a lady who's running a bakery business. It really depends in terms of probably people who are producing N95 masks. If they are stressed for time, if they have a lot of tough goals to address, they can go ahead and download WellCan app, and they can actually subscribe to their daily updates and focus in terms of the meaningful ways in which they can reduce stress and anxiety in life by just being more transparent, by being more accountable, and by reaching out to members in their community and sharing their success updates regularly. Also, it always pays in the long run to be honest and to also own up to the kind of failures a person has, because no matter how big an organization is, no matter how well advertised a startup is, it doesn't matter in terms of no matter what the track record of institutions are. It is maybe many members in the team that pull a person's goal down. So it's always essential that the founders of a startup are able to communicate with all members of the team, and they are able to not just decentralize communication but have that chat on a regular basis, so that they know in terms of what are the setbacks and the roadblocks and the obstacles their company is facing, and be quick enough to resolve that, so that the company does not become insolvent, so that they do not end up meeting the wrong financial partners, so that they do not make decisions that they can regret later.